The People's Democratic Party (PDP) for Edo State don't blast the All Progressive Congress (APC) for their jollification as the Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku port from PDP enter APC camp. Them describe the whole thing as comedy film with them right since. The caretaker chairmo of the party, Dr. Tony Azegbe, yarn to people this one on behalf of the party for the party secretariat for Agbebaku Crescent for Benin City. Ogbonge persons wey join the caretaker chairmo for the talk sessions na the 5 out of the 6 remaining PDP members for the Edo State House of Assembly wey be Deputy Speaker Honorable Maria Edeko, Honorable Kaka Eric, Honorable O.J. Inegebo, Honorable Natasha Osawaru, and the Minority Leader of the House, Honorable Charity Agbebaku. Oga Tony Azegbe Konya say e don tey wey dem know say Agbebaku dey work for APC, say the public decamping na just to open wetin everybody don sabi. Say e loyalty to APC show wella, especially as e refuse to bring back suspended PDP local government chairmos dem after their suspension don expire. A Costi talk say
APC is a party of sorcerers. Sorcerers as in sorcerers. The Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party finds it laughable, indeed comical, that the All Progressives Congress will roll out the drums to celebrate what it calls the defection of Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, the Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, when in truth, Agbebaku has long operated as a covert APC loyalist. Tuesday's stage-managed fanfare in Benin City was not news. It was merely the official coronation of what had become a public secret. For months, Agbebaku has served the interests of the APC in both conduct and allegiance. What played out was nothing more than a desperate spectacle designed to impress Mr. President and the APC national leadership, an illusion worthy of a David Copperfield performance. Let it be remembered that under Agbebaku's leadership and in collaboration with Monday Okpebolo, the INEC select governor, and the Edo APC, duly elected government council chairmen, overwhelmingly PDP members, were illegally suspended for 2 months. Despite the expiration of that unconstitutional suspension, Agbebaku refused to recall them, acting with clear partisan bias. If ever there was evidence of his real political affiliation, this was it. Agbebaku's formal alignment with the APC is a textbook case of political opportunism, motivated not by ideology or conviction, but by personal ambition and self-preservation. While the APC celebrates this, we in the PDP remain unbothered, undeterred. Men who stand for nothing will always fall for nothing. And we have to restate this for the purpose of the young ones in Edo State and indeed in Nigeria. We all are pointing fingers to corruption being our main problem in this country. Take it from me. The problem of this country is the lack of shame, lack of integrity of those that God has bestowed the leadership of this country to at many of the levels. And these issues that you are seeing, this decamping you are seeing across board, this is a testament to the fact that leadership, as we know it, leadership that encompasses kindness, honesty, decency, has been missing in Nigeria, and that is why we are where we are. Because it is the lack of shame that will make you to do some of the things that many of these people are doing.
Oga Azegbe come also here and say APC they claim say 70 council chairmos then don't join them. Say in challenge APC to mention just one PDP duly elected council chairmo where follow Agbebaku comot. A talk say all the decampees where APC parade na their own loyal people where them illegally put for council positions. Oga Agbebaku swear say dem go continue to fight for justice, and that one join dem going to court for the September 2024 governorship election. E come yarn their supporters and members to stand firm, say APC's desperation na just for their personal interest.
The 18 council chairmen that were elected, none of them has defected. The people they were parading as having defected are not the duly elected council chairmen. These are impostors. These were councillors that were elected that Okpebolo had manipulated and breached all the known rules and regulations in the country to put there as council chairman. And he's calling the council chairman that they defected. We are challenging them. Give us if you watch that, the message they were sending out, they didn't give any name of any council chairman that defected. We challenge them to give us the names of those that defected with them so that we know we can compare notes. The truth is that what they parade are political appointees and stooges, illegally imposed on the councils. Okpebolo loyal hirelings, not the people's elected representatives. With their Okpebolo to release the names of the council chairmen that is said defected on Tuesday. The charade is part of a broader strategy by the APC to create a false narrative of political dominance in Edo State. But the people of Edo are politically astute and cannot be deceived by such theatrics. As a party, we want to reassure Edolites that they should endure the Holocaust period we are passing through. We will surely get over this. Joy is surely coming. The PDP remains focused, undeterred, unwavering in its commitment to justice. We are pursuing all legal avenues to retain our stolen mandate from the brazenly manipulated September 24 governorship election. To our members and supporters, once again, we cannot thank you enough for your steadfastness. Remain resolute, stay focused, united, and strong. Do not be distracted by the desperation of those who put personal gains above the collective good of all of us in the PDP.
As Oga Agbebaku dey respond to questions wey tori pipo ask am, say why dem no do something when dem sabi say the speaker dey work for APC, im come tok say,
as a party, we will always give every member a chance. We will always try as much as possible to engage members, no matter what they do. And I can tell you for free that the leadership of this party, the candidate, the deputy governorship candidate, myself, and a few other leaders, we've had more than 20 meetings with members of the House of Assembly before now. So we had engagement. We were trying to make sure that we drill home the point that, guy, stay where you are. It is for your own sake and for the sake of your children. But apparently, maybe our efforts were not good enough to keep him where he was. For that, I take full responsibility for not being able to keep him, but I think we did all what we needed to do in terms of engaging, in terms of telling him, look, guy, this is where you are, remain here, this is the best place for you. We all know that the National Working Committee of Political Parties is the only organ that can say who are those running the affairs of the party at the state chapters. 2 days ago, I'm sure you saw that publication, the National Publicity Secretary issued a statement on behalf of NWC, of the party, saying that they have reconstituted the caretaker committee in Edo, and they listed the 10 members of that caretaker committee. So if you saw that, and you're asking that question, that brings to the fore something else, in my opinion, which is when they tell you that they are caretaker in Edo, you should ask them, okay, give us your paper that National Working Committee appointed you. That will stop the conversation. And you guys cannot be giving them that prominence by saying another caretaker. There's no another caretaker in Edo. There's only one caretaker recognized by the National Working Committee. I can give you a letter signed by the National Public Secretary constituting the caretaker in Edo. And I think, journalists, you guys should help those people in the villages who might not know some of these things to say, guys, if you say you are a caretaker, Oga, show us your paper that appointed you. And if you have that kind of paper, please give it to us. So some group of people will be going to jail for forgery.
This reaction they come after the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, carried join body 2 other members for the House, Council Chairmos them and their councillors, plus their supporters spot from PDP to APC on Tuesday, 6th May 2025. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.